In question 6, the first one is from probability. Okay, so an integer is chosen between 0 and 100. So between 0 and 100. So 0 and 100 is not included. What is the probability that it is divisible by 7 and not divisible by 7? So if you find out divisible by 7, and it's easy to not divisible by 7 to find out. So let's take the divisibility by 7 numbers between 0 and 100 first. So according to this question, the numbers between 0 and 100 is 99 total. So sample space. We need to find out the sample space first. Or favorable cases. So let's take that n of s. So n of s is the total numbers. So if you take not e, the sample space is n of s. N of s is equals to 99 because the numbers from between 0 and 100. So between 0 to 100 we have total 99 numbers because 0 and 100 is not included. That means only 1, 2, 3 so on till 99. So this is sample space. So n of s is equals to 99. So from sample space n of s is 99. Now according to the first question, selected integer is divisible by 7. Okay, whatever the selected integer, that should be divisible by 7. Then we can write the favorable cases, that is e1 is equals to first number itself 7. 7 table 7, 14, 21, 28. These all the numbers are divisible by 7 within 0 and 100. So 728, then 35, 42, 49. Just write all. 56, 63, 70. Again 77. 84, 91, 98. That's it. These are the numbers are divisible by 7. If you count these all, then n of e1. If you count all these numbers, there are total 14 are there. So required probability. So therefore, required probability. That means the getting the number is divisible by 7. So that is required probabilities n of e1 by n of s. So 14 by 99. That's it. This is the required probability. And next question, if you see the same one, not divisible by 7. So not divisible by 7 means just will subtract 1. That is instead of finding, so remaining numbers are not divisible by 7. Then selected integer is not divisible by 7. So according to this, so required probability is, you can find out the remaining numbers, otherwise just you do 1 minus n of e1 by n of s, because not divisible by 7. So 1 minus 14 by 99. So 14 by 99 means out of 99 subtract 14 divided by 99 again. So 99 minus 14 is 85. 85 by 99 is the selected integer is not divisible by 7. So they are the not divisible, and 14 by 99 is divisible by 7 probability. Can do in this way. Let's see next question. Use the graph paper for this question. Take 1 centimeter 1 unit on both axes. We need to plot A, B, C, D. A is 1, 2, B 8, 3, 7, C 7, 8, D 3, 7. So let us plot these points and complete the quadrilateral first. Let's see what to do. So in this, let us take the graph paper and solve. X-axis and y-axis. Vertical is y-axis and this horizontal is x-axis, and plot the points. 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. This is x-axis. And 1 centimeter is 1 unit. So 1 centimeter I am taking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. This is the y-axis. Right. So we need to plot the points A, B, C, D. So A is 1, 2, B 8, 3, C 7, 8, D 3, 7. So let's plot these points here. A is 1, 2. So this is A 1, 2, and B is 8, 3. B is 8, 3, and C is 7, 8. 7, 8 here. And D is 3, 7. D is 3, 7, and complete the quadrilateral. So you should join this. Join this quadrilateral A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. So this is the quadrilateral. Now question is find the point P inside the quadrilateral. Point P inside the quadrilateral such that AP is equals to BP. So A to P and B to P should be same distance, and P is also equidistance from AB and AD. So P is equidistance from AB and AD means P must be angle bisector of BAD. So for this both condition to satisfy, we need to bisect AB first. Angle side AB we should bisect. Then to bisecting this, take more than half and draw the arcs curve. And from the B also you can take join. So side AB we should bisect. Then join that line. So accurately you can take, and this is we should bisect the side AB. That means what are the point? They are equidistant from A and B. And next for the remaining, P is also equidistant from AB and AD. Whenever sides means you should bisect the angle. AB and AD, AD common angle is A. Angle A we should bisect. So for this, draw an arc from the A first. From this both points take more than half and draw the arcs. So we know already that. Just I am doing roughly here. From A you can join that. Now both the points where they join. So that is only is the point P. This is the point P by joining these both. Then P to B we need to find out distance. So join P to B and use the distance formula. Or use the distance using the scale you can do it. P to B you can join. You have to find out the distance from P to B then just let me write the information how I constructed this. So according to the given, PA is equals to PB is both. That means P is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So P will be on the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of AB. So AB we should do perpendicular bisecting first. Then for the second condition, here P is equidistant from AB and AD. So P is equidistant from AB and AD. Therefore, we should do angle bisector of BAD. So we should do angle bisector of angle BAD. Then P is the point intersection of right bisector of AB and angle bisector of BAD. That both. Then using the scale, if you do, you'll get PB is approximately around 4.2 centimeters. So distance from P to B. That line segment distance is 4.2 you'll get. If you use the scale, it accurately can do that. Okay, this way you can construct this and record the length. So no need of any formula, just use the scale and you can find out the length. Right, and next one is question from this progression. is minus 13 a term of sequence 13, 8, 3, so on. So numbers are decreasing. You should check minus 13 is that sequence or not. So we use the progressions formula. So according to the data, we need to take the first given series. So given sequence is that is 13 comma 8 comma 3 comma so on. Okay, then a2 minus a1, so 8 minus 13 minus 5, so that is the difference d. So given sequence in AP is having a is equals to 13 and difference is minus 5. So let an, we need to find out minus 13 is in the series sequence or not. So let us take an is equal to minus 13. Then we'll apply an formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, in this formula we'll apply that an is equals to minus 13, a plus a is 13, n minus 1 into d. D is minus 5. Take this values all one side. 13 take this side, minus 13 minus 13 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 5. Right. From this minus 26 is equals to n minus 1 minus 5. You simplify minus 5n plus 5 minus 26. Then 5n is equals to 5 plus 26, that is 31. Then n is equals to, n is the number, that is 31 by 5, but which is not a natural number. So this is not belongs to integers, natural numbers, because n should be, that is numbers 1, 2, 3, so on. So 31 by 5 is not a natural number. Therefore minus 13 is not a term of the given sequence. Given sequence. So in the given sequence, minus 13 is not there. Right? Just use only progressions formula and substitute that if it is minus 13, if the number natural number, if you get, there is one term, or it's not. Yes. So you can do problems in this way. Now let us see question number 7. Solve these problems.